Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Tezos is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys, I haven't changed the fibs because they're still working just fine. So I'm still using the low of, and if you're new to the channel, that's why I always go back and tell you exactly what fibs I'm using. Got a few emails saying, hey, you shouldn't just say this and that, you should just tell us exactly what fibs. So here I am. So I'm using the low of October 23rd of 2019 to the high of August 11 of 2020. So what I mentioned in the last video was right on point, and it seems like every time I give out bad news or say, hey, be very careful, I get a lot of dislikes, which I don't understand, but funny how it turns out, because it actually turned out exactly how I mentioned. So mentioned that if we break lower, we're gonna go down, guys, and we sure did. We are holding below a 200-day moving average, 20-day moving average. We broke this trend line that goes all the way back from March 13th of 2020, and now, guys, your line in the sand is realistically the 23% retracement. That puts us at about $1.61. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. The two guys that trained me always said, make sure you take under your wing, somebody under your wing, just like we did. Here I am with a YouTube channel trying to teach 7 billion people the crypto market. So that way you guys can make shackles like I'm making shackles. And if you get anything useful out of the video, guys, send one friend to the channel so that way they can make shackles too. So that being said, guys, this is looking bearish overall, and I would not do anything. As a matter of fact, I mean, if you look, I don't like to look at this pattern because I like to look at this pattern right here. This is a head and shoulders. When I'm at the top or at the bottom, I'm kind of in the middle, so I don't like to pay attention too much. But look, shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline. So that tells me that we're going down, and our line in the sand, like I said, is the 23% retracement. If we break lower, then we're kind of in trouble, guys. Let's just draw out a little bit of more fibs here. See what they tell us. Excuse me, guys. So if I go from that low, March 13 to what, August 12 of 2020, we have a 23% retracement coming up, but I feel like this swing high is more important than this swing high because it's bigger. The more data you have, the more accurate the signal is, the less of the signals you get. So I feel like that one is a lot more important. Sorry, I mean, you get a 78% retracement here and the 23% retracement. I got them both confused. I apologize about that. So that 23% retracement is our line in the sand. If we break a lower, and then we're kind of in trouble, guys. Realistically, your next support line will be here. So 140, and if we break that, it's 126. But more likely, we're just gonna hit a new low. You know, probably going all the way down to about $1. So we just have to be very careful. I wouldn't do anything right now for the time being until we get a little bit better, because you're kind of in the middle of everything right now. So I wouldn't do anything. Just kind of stand aside and wait. By the way, guys, we got a lot of emails requesting a private chat, and guess what we did? We made a private chat for you guys. And if you guys like to join, we're gonna put it's down in the description below. It's EC Crypto Pro. Go and check out the website. It is a paid chat, so if you want me to hold your hand at all times, I can definitely do that, but it's going to cost you some money. I mean, we post here in the channel everything you need to know to be successful in the crypto market, and so you can make shackles. So if you need more help, we definitely have it out there. It's going to be a pay one. So let's just get back to the business, guys. Like I said, line of the sand is $1.61. I wouldn't do anything. You're in the middle of this channel, so risk to reward is awful. Once we get to the 23% retracement, then I'm gonna be looking for opportunities to place a position. Excuse me, guys. The other thing you have to keep in mind, guys, we got elections coming up next week, and when there's a lot of uncertainty, it is drilled in your head to go to the dollar. And guess what? The dollar is gaining a lot of strength. So we just have to kind of wait and see what's going to happen. Realistically, I think if the red party wins, it will be bullish for markets. If the blue party wins, and then it will be bearish for the market. So that's kind of my thought here. And I've talked to a lot of other friends in Wall Street, and they said the same thing. So we're just gonna have to wait and see. Like I say, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, and don't forget to check out our new website, EC Crypto Pro. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.